After having built SpringbokSQL Appliance, the product that I always wanted to have, in partnership with SanDisk, the biggest satisfaction that we received is a quote from one of our clients who literally told me, Alex, if your product was in the Olympics, I would worry about it getting tested for steroids. This is how fast it is. For past 15 years of my career, I spent as a database architect. As a database architect, you brought on board and you have to lay out entire architecture. What I noticed on a typical server building, companies spend a lot of time worrying about the CPU capacity, worrying about the memory capacity, but the most single important component when it comes to database output is still I/O. So the Springbok idea was born is to create a database appliance, i.e. the server or machine that's specifically optimized for database workload. And this is how PCI Flash came along, because PCI Flash today is the fastest way to connect your I/O to your servers. In selecting the fastest possible I/O, we looked at every PCI Flash vendor on the market, and we evaluated in a series of tests. And most importantly, we didn't use some abstract tests. We actually used the real-life scenarios. We selected the tests that companies are struggling on a daily basis across Postgres, MySQL, MariaDB, and our benchmarks were primarily focused on database-specific tests. And based on those tests, we found out that SanDisk fusionio memory SX300 was the fastest possible configuration for our customers to use. In reality is, the most of the database servers today running at 10,000 IOPS. In our test with SanDisk, we achieved results upwards of 800,000 IOs. Not only they built the fastest PCI Flash, they also built a specialized file system specifically designed for Flash application. And that comes from the experience of SanDisk building Flash devices. Locating the fastest possible component manufacturer it's not good enough. You also have to find a partnership. You could actually stay together, and most importantly, you could work on technology cooperatively, where feedback would be listened to, and that's a type of partnership we established with SanDisk, which we're very happy about. Inside the appliance, it became very simple, because appliances come in three typical sizes: 1.5 terabytes, 3 terabytes, and 6 terabytes. So in the back end, we have SanDisk Fusion I/O memory SX300, and they come in those various capacities. So in order to select an appliance for your business, all you have to do is look at your existing data size and determine where you're going to be a year from now. And that's it. We bring instant gratification. You have a database performance problem, we have solved it. It's out of the box, very fast, extremely reliable, and it's a small footprint. We save energy, we're saving you rack space. It's easy to deploy, easy to maintain. We allow the DBAs and database architects to focus on exciting part of their career, improving the features for their application. I strongly believe that our partnership with Springbok and SanDisk has a very bright future. And I'm really excited that we're going to deliver even faster performance. We're going to keep pushing forward and keep delivering faster performance, better reliability, smaller footprint, less energy consumption. We're going to change computing.